Hello my dear friends. I am Jyotirvid Pavan Kumar. Friends, my only aim of making all these videos is to give you authentic information, knowledge which I have gained through my long years of deep study of scriptures and other literature, combined with my own experiences, especially my spiritual experiences. So whatever I have gained and which has helped me to live a life of success and happiness and contentment, I want to share it with you. That is my sole purpose of making all these videos. That is why I'm not bothered whether my videos are watched by many people or not. Some of my videos are not watched by many people, but doesn't matter. I believe that even if one or two persons watch my video and benefit, my purpose is fulfilled, right? See what the great scientist Albert Einstein has said: what is right is not always popular and what is popular is not always right. So I believe in that, right? Now in this video I'm going to give you a technique which is not a new technique. It is very ancient technique, but I have been using it since long and it has helped me a lot. It helps in calming down your mind. Even 10 minutes of doing this technique, if you do it in the right way, right, it will calm down your mind. It will give you deep relaxation, and with a calm mind, tranquil mind, your power of concentration will increase. And this is the degree of concentration which differentiates between a less successful person and a more successful person. See what the great Swami Vivekananda said about concentration: the difference between ordinary and great person relies on the degree of the concentration it has. The quality of your life depends upon how you concentrate and what you concentrate on. See, this is what Swami Vivekananda said. All our sages, rishis, they had realized the importance of concentration. You must have heard about the Raja Yoga, which has 8 limbs. It was given by Maharishi Patanjali. Raja Yoga, right? It has 8 limbs or 8 stages, steps. And the final 3 steps are Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. Dharana is the Sanskrit name for concentration. So by increasing your concentration, which you can with this technique which I am going to explain in this video, with increased concentration, you will not only benefit in the material sense, in worldly pursuits, but also spiritually. Because with improved dharana or concentration, you will be able to go deep in meditation. And then you can achieve samadhi. Yes, this is a wonderful thing. Yes. Now this technique you can do at any time during the day and for as long as you want to, right? Now for doing this technique you sit somewhere comfortably, but with your spine, neck and head held upright. Sit upright like this, not in a tense way, in a relaxed way, but sit upright. Close your eyes and watch your breath. Do nothing. Do not modify your breath. Breathe in a normal way. Whether it is inhalation, breath is going in, or exhalation, breath is going out. Just watch a couple of moments. And then with inhalation, while you are inhaling, mentally say Hong. But it is important that you extend this sound of Hong over the entire duration of inhalation. This is important. If inhalation is long, for a longer period, then extend this Hong, which you say mentally Hong, over the entire duration of inhalation, right? And when you exhale, then mentally say Saw. And again it is important that you extend this sound of saw over the entire duration of exhalation. This is important, right? Now what will happen after doing it for a couple of moments? You will go into deep relaxation, and since you are not doing any physical activity, and also in your mind you are not entertaining any thoughts. If any thought comes, just push it aside and focus on your breath. So what happens? The requirement of oxygen by your body falls down. You do not need as much oxygen as you need when you are doing some activity or entertaining thoughts. So what will happen? In between inhalation and exhalation, you will get gaps naturally. That is a wonderful thing. It will give you great relaxation and you will enjoy that. Do nothing. If there is a gap between inhalation and exhalation, just sit calmly, watch it, enjoy that state, do nothing. It is natural, right? I myself find sometime that this gap is such a long gap that I forget about my body. It becomes so light, right? It's a wonderful thing, and your power of concentration will tremendously increase. If you are a student, after doing say 10 minutes of this even 10 minutes of this exercise, Hong Saw, if you then study your subject, whatever you want to study, you will grasp more. Whatever you could not understand previously, you will understand. So thereby your grades will improve, right? You will have greater success, greater achievements in your study. And not only students, whatever you are doing, if you are a businessman or you are working in a job, it is the degree of concentration which differentiates between a less successful person and a more successful person. Yes, it is a wonderful thing. Yes. So, my dear friends, what you have to do is sit calmly, and then I will demonstrate. What you have to do is, with inhalation, mentally say Om. Here, just to demonstrate, I will say it slightly loudly, but otherwise you say it mentally, right? Like this. Om. Only important thing is that you extend Hong over the entire duration of inhalation. Similarly, extend Saw, the sound of Saw, over the entire duration of exhalation. This is important. And when there is a gap in between inhalation and exhalation, just sit calmly, enjoy that. Do not entertain any thoughts. If any thought comes to your mind, push it aside, right? Now what will happen? Your pulse rate drops. With that, you increase your lifespan, because the total number of breaths allowed in a lifetime is fixed. So if you slow down your pulse rate, not throughout the day, but even for some time, then you increase your lifespan. It's a wonderful thing. It will help you improve your health, mental health, physical health, everything. It's a wonderful thing, because a calm mind goes a long way. It is mind over matter. Tranquility of mind will help you in the physical way also to overcome any disease or any suffering in the body. Yes, it's a wonderful thing. See, breath and mind are intimately related. You must have experienced sometime that you find that two people are whispering nearby, and you are worried whether they are whispering anything against you or not. If it has happened with you, you will realize what I am saying. Then what you did? You tried to listen harder, and instinctively you held up your breath. because instinctively you know that if you hold your breath, your power of hearing improves. So your breath is intimately related with your senses, with your mind. That is why pranayama is so important, right? And in the Raja Yoga, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi, you will benefit, you will be able to go deep in meditation with improved Dharana, which is concentration. So it's a wonderful, wonderful technique. You can do it anytime and for as long as you want to do it. Then after doing it, if you study whatever you did not follow previously, your power of concentration will increase, your focus will increase, and you will be able to grasp more out of your study. So it's a wonderful thing, wonderful technique. Start doing it right from now, and you will definitely improve your power of concentration, and your mind will also be in a tranquil state, and you will increase your lifespan. So it is such a wonderful, wonderful exercise. I hope you like this video, and if you have any comments regarding this topic, you are most welcome. Thank you for watching.